I am a founding member of WOCIP as well as a diversity thought leader and community advocate focused on advancing the careers of women. WOCIP was created in 2015 to enable transformational change in the pharmaceutical and life science industry and to empower women of color to excel personally and professionally. We created the WOCIP Foundation to address educational, health, and economic disparities and create generational change utilizing the pharmaceutical industry as a platform. This year has illuminated 4 major global crises: racial inequality, social injustice, health disparities, and economic disruption, all of which disproportionately affect people of color. Health disparities and health equity are 2 terms that cannot be used interchangeably. Health disparities are patterns observed among different patient populations and typically refers to differences between groups of people in terms of health, insurance coverage, access to care, and quality of care. The outbreak of the novel coronavirus is a prime example of health disparities. Black and Hispanic patients were more likely to contract the illness and experience higher rates of hospitalization than their white peers. That disease burden was higher for Black and Hispanic patients than it was for white patients, resulting in a health disparity. Health inequities are often viewed as the cause of health disparity. They are the structural or institutional patterns that ultimately result in health disparities. Health equity means that everyone has a fair and just opportunity to be as healthy as possible. The WOCIP Foundation pillars include global capacity building, using advocacy to drive economic equity, addressing health disparities for communities of color, and partnerships to further the goal of economic and educational equity. Public-private partnerships are an effective way to capitalize on the relative strengths of public and private sectors so that we can address problems that neither could tackle adequately on its own. At the WOCIP Foundation, we are dedicated to finding the right partners to help us realize our goal of eliminating health disparities for people of color globally.